There are situations where we don't want the value of a variable to change. This is where we use constants. Here's an example. Let's declare a variable of type double and call it pi and set it to 3.14. Now, with this, we can calculate the area of a circle, right? But what if somewhere in our program, I accidentally set pi to a different value, like 0? With this, our calculations are going to go wrong, right? This is where we can use a constant to prevent the value of pi from changing. How do we do that? Very easy. We type the const keyword before declaring this variable. Now look, on line 5, we have a red underline. That is a compilation error. So if you hover our mouse here, we see the error saying cannot assign to variable pi with const qualified type const double. And also, if we try to run our program, here in the terminal window, we see an error. So take a look. This is the error. The error is happening in main.cpp on line 5 in column 8. And here's the actual error. Cannot assign to variable pi with const qualified type. Okay? So this will prevent us from accidentally modifying the value of this variable, or more accurately, constant.